Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your LG K41S, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search and type CLONEit. This is the application that we are going to use to transfer data. Let's click on the install, and on the Android smartphone you have to do the same. Click open, tap on the allow 2 times. Yes, I agree. And right now click sender on the Android. Once again. Wait. Let's open it. Once again. Click sender. And right now receiver on our LG, tap on the allow, click set, and right now we have to turn on location. Let's go back, use this button to enter background applications and click on the receiver. Tap on the search again, click on the Android share icon, and as you can see we have 2 ways to connect. We can scan QR code, but also we can input password manually. I'm going to scan QR code, click allow. Accept the request on your Android phone. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons, then click on the start. But in my case, I'm going below for the details, and I will take a few songs. Maybe I will take these songs. And then I will click on the start, OK. And it's finished. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.